Today for the Bitcoin price, FTX meltdown, dragging down the whole crypto prices down with it. And now other projects are following. People are screaming for Bitcoin to drop below 10,000 US dollars. Today I want to sit down with you, pull out the charts, pull out two important indications to look at right now to determine what is going to happen in the next few days and weeks for Bitcoin. Dear ladies and gentlemen, if you are tired of all the noise, of everyone screaming on Twitter where the Bitcoin price is going to, this video is made for you. Go down below, press like, subscribe, and make noise for the YouTube algorithm. I want this video to be carried out into the world. Let's go straight into the content. Dear ladies and gentlemen, please press the like button on that video. I would truly appreciate that. Now let's go straight into it. And you already see my energy. You see how excited I'm getting about today's video. I am not going to talk about this chart here, which obviously speaks a very clear language, which obviously speaks about, well, the monthly candle has to close above the level of 16.5, the current level where we are at right now, right? But it doesn't really tell us what is going to happen in the next 2 months. In the next 2 weeks, because this month still will continue for another 2 weeks. Well, let me go into it. Dear ladies and gentlemen, let me go into it. Let me start with this. The Bitcoin balance on exchanges. The black line is the Bitcoin chart. The orange line is the Bitcoin balance on exchanges. It was going up until March 2020 without any breaks almost. Since March 2020 was going down. And guess what was now triggering? Of course, huge exchange withdrawals, this meltdown. What is it actually? Let me quickly go back here. What does it mean when we are having a lot of withdrawals from an exchange? In this specific context right now, with FTX going down, maybe not the most bullish thing, but let's actually lean back and let's be a little bit more objective and think about what it means from a supply point of view when more and more Bitcoin are withdrawn from centralized exchanges. The fewer Bitcoin we have on a centralized exchange, the fewer Bitcoin there are to be sold on the market. It is a bullish when Bitcoin are taken from an exchange, thus the circulating supply on centralized exchanges is being decreased. That is good. That is a supply which is potentially being sold on the market with the mouse click, changing the Bitcoin price towards the downside. This has always been a positive indicator. So yes, exchanges going down, trust sinking in the space, not the best. But this at least is a very bullish news. But it's not everything I want to discuss here, actually. I want to talk about the MVRV Z-score, however you want to call it. This is the market value to realized value. It sets the market cap in relation with the realized cap. You can see the black line, the Bitcoin price, the orange line representing the MVRV Z-score. It's standardized here, that's why it's a Z-score. You see every time the orange line shoots up into the red line, that is the sell zone. So at 64,000, we should have been smart and said, hey, maybe that's the end of the bull market. We didn't, right? Everyone was screaming for 100,000. Let's be honest here. But one thing is important. Now, let's be smarter. Let's take this indicator serious now. Whenever it goes down to the green area, this is the buy zone. 2011, 2015, 2019, 2020. 2022. Right now, we are in the buy zone. So if you, let me quickly go back here once again, dear ladies and gentlemen, if you are right now thinking, should I wait for Bitcoin to drop to 10,000 US dollars or lower, or should I buy right now? Keep this in mind. We have a 12-year indicator which every single time told you perfectly, this is the time to buy. So of course you can wait, but if you wait right now, it's all no financial advice, but if you wait right now, you're running the danger of standing on the sidelines forever. This is the only thing I want to tell you. Buying today might make you regret it in 2 weeks and 4 weeks. Long term, right now is, my opinion, my subjective opinion, the perfect time to buy. Let me know what you think about that. If you share this opinion, like, and importantly, share this video, please, on WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter, wherever you feel comfortable with. I want to get this message out here. And yes, of course, I will keep a close eye here on all the exchanges. You know, I'm partnering up with some exchanges as well. I want to see this settling down, of course, and I want to see proof of funds, McCree, all of the beautiful things here exchanges can provide to regain the trust. Because I know there are good actors out there. And I know some of these good actors myself. But this has to be proven. We need to regain the trust of the people here in the market. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of Mmcrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.